Idiom, wear off, Hindi meaning, dhundhala parna. English meaning, to become less strong or to disappear completely. Sentence use, this color will wear off soon. Idiom, above all, Hindi meaning, mukhyat, khaskar, English meaning, used to emphasize the main point, most importantly. Sentence use, above all, don't mention this to Hari. Idiom, aghast at, Hindi meaning, hakka bakka hona, English meaning, filled with horror and surprise when you see or hear something. Sentence use, as she entered the hospital she looked aghast at the bed of the wounded. Idiom, all at once, Hindi meaning, achanak, English meaning, all at the same time or suddenly. Sentence use, all at once the sky became dark and it began to rain. Idiom, apple of discord, Hindi meaning, jhagade ka parinam, karan, English meaning, something which causes strife, argument or rivalry. Sentence use, ever since their father's death this property has been an apple of discord between the two brothers. Idiom, apple of one's eye, Hindi meaning, bahut priya, English meaning, special favorite, beloved person or thing. Sentence use, his lovely little daughter is the apple of his eye. Idiom, be all ears, Hindi meaning, bahut dhyan se sunna, English meaning, be listening eagerly. Sentence use, the children were all ears as I began to tell the story of Mahabharat. Idiom, at all, Hindi meaning, thoda sa bhi, English meaning, to any extent. Sentence use, he told me that he did not have any money at all. Idiom, back out of, Hindi meaning, diye hue vachan se mukar jana, English meaning, withdraw from a commitment. Sentence use, he backed out of the promise he had given me. Idiom, bad blood, Hindi meaning, dushmani, English meaning, unfriendly or hostile relations. Sentence use, there is bad blood between the two brothers.